How to spend 5 days in Milos, Greece. Are you looking for the perfect Mediterranean escape? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be taking you on a virtual tour of Milos, Greece to show you what this stunning landscape has to offer and how to make the most of your 5-day trip there. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And I'm so excited to share with you my journey exploring the picturesque island of Milos in Greece. From hiking trails to secret coves, Milos is full of hidden gems that are waiting to be discovered. But where do you begin? Do not worry, I have been there before and I'm going to show you the best things to do in just 5 days. Let's get started. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Day 1. Exploring Sarakiniko Beach. The first day of any vacation is always full of excitement and anticipation, but exploring Sarakiniko Beach in Milos, Greece takes it to another level. Sarakiniko Beach, located on the eastern coastline, is known for its unique lunar landscape. The beach is made up of volcanic rocks that have been sculpted by the winds and waves, creating fascinating shapes and textures. Sarakiniko Beach is an excellent spot for rock climbing, cliff jumping, and hiking, and is also popular with photographers due to its one-of-a-kind scenery. Nearby attractions worth exploring include the island's quaint villages, stunning natural landmarks, and cultural hotspots. Visiting Sarakiniko Beach is a must, as it provides one with unforgettable experience and a chance to discover the beauty and charm of Milos. Day 2. Visit the Catacombs of Milos and the ancient theater ruins. On Day 2 of your Milos adventure, prepare to transport yourself back in time as you visit the catacombs and the ancient theater ruins. Morning, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Catacombs of Milos. The Catacombs of Milos are located in Tripiti village, a 10-minute drive from the port of Adamas. You can get there by car, taxi, or public bus. These early Christian catacombs are dug into the soft volcanic rock and have been preserved well. The visit takes approximately 1 hour and the cost of the ticket is 4 euros. You will witness the same techniques and motifs like in the Roman catacombs in Rome, where various communities used to have their tombs here. Lunch, 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Traditional cuisine. For lunch, we recommend trying out some of the traditional dishes at one of the taskas or restaurants located in Tripiti or nearby Placa village. We recommend trying emporikia, which are baked pastry filled with cheese and herbs, and kolokithakia fried croquettes. Afternoon, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Ancient theater ruins. Next, head to the ancient theater ruins located in the village of Klima, a 15-minute drive from Tripiti. The ancient theater was built into a hill, and its acoustics and beautiful views are awe-inspiring. It was constructed in the Hellenistic period and maintained until the 5th century AD. The entrance fee is 3 euros, and you can learn about the theater's cultural and historical significance while exploring the ruins. Extra time, 5:30 p.m. onwards. If you have extra time in the late afternoon, you can head to the beautiful beach of Sarakiniko, located a 15-minute drive from the ancient theater ruins. The white volcanic rock formations make a beautiful contrast to the beautiful blue sea. Milos is also famous for its spectacular sunset views. Head to Placa village, the highest point on the island, to have a great view of the colorful sunset. We hope you have a great time exploring the Catacombs of Milos, ancient theater ruins, and the islands of Milos. Day 3. Take a scenic boat ride to ancient Roman bath and hot springs. Ancient Roman baths and hot springs. On Day 3 of your journey, get ready for a picturesque journey as you take a scenic boat ride to the ancient Roman baths and hot springs. As you cruise along the waters, you'll be surrounded by breathtaking views of lush greenery and serene waters. Once you arrive at the Roman baths, you'll be transported back in time to the era of the great Roman Empire. immerse yourself in the rich history and unique culture of the ancient world as you explore the ruins of the bathhouses and learn about the healing powers of the thermal waters. Take a dip in the hot springs and feel the stress melt away as you soak in the warm waters. The scenic boat ride and visit to Roman baths is an experience that's not to be missed. Did you know that the hot spring waters in this location are still being used for their therapeutic qualities to this day? Many visitors believe that soaking in the hot spring water can ease sore muscles, relieve stress, and restore balance to the body. Boat rides are usually offered by several companies or operators, with prices varying depending on the duration of the trip. The duration of the trip is usually 2 to 3 hours each way. We recommend visitors wear comfortable shoes and carry a hat and sunblock as it may get hot. Visitors can also bring their swimming suits to take advantage of the hot spring, but we recommend taking a bath once back on land. Do not forget your camera for breathtaking photo ops of the landscape and the ancient Roman bath. We hope you have a wonderful time on the scenic boat ride and exploring the ancient Roman bath ruins and hot spring. Day 4. Wander through the villages of Klima and Placa. On day 4 of your Greek adventure, be sure to wander through the charming villages of Klima and Placa, two of the most picturesque destinations on the island. These quaint towns are steeped in history and traditional culture, and they are known for their whitewashed houses, winding alleys, and stunning Aegean sea fishing port views. Morning, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Klima. Klima is an old fishing village located in the northern coast of the island. Explore its narrow streets, traditional houses, and the colorful fishing boats as they pass in and out of the harbor. Do not forget to visit the Church of Panagia, the oldest church on the island with original frescoes dating back to the 13th century. Take a stroll to the Venetian castle ruins and enjoy stunning views of the bay. Boat trips from Klima are also available for a unique perspective of the village. Lunch, 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Try local favorites. For lunch, we recommend Calogerico and Siglino, a local cured pork, and Colokito Pita, the famous courgette pie, at one of the tavernas in Klima village. Afternoon, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Placa. In the afternoon, head to Placa, one of the oldest villages on the island. Take a stroll through the winding alleys and admire the 16th century architecture of the houses. The village is also home to the Milos Archaeological Museum and a folklore museum where you can learn about the island's cultural history. Don't miss the stunning views from the Church of Panagia Thalassithra, where you can view several towns and beaches. Extra time, 5:30 p.m. onwards. Insider tips. If you have extra time, we recommend hiking the Catacombs of Milos, a 2-kilometer trail that leads to some of the region's most stunning views. Another fun activity is participating in the Paliospito Kai Alio Pidiazo, traditional grape harvest festival in August. Milos is home to some delicious traditional cuisine that are worth trying. We recommend tzatziki, yogurt deep faba, split pea puree, and the local cuttlefish known as soupies. Day 5. Enjoy delicious local cuisine at a traditional Greek taverna. On day 5 of your Greek vacation, make sure to check out a traditional taverna to indulge in some delicious local cuisine. Greece is known for its mouth-watering dishes such as souvlaki, moussaka, and tzatziki that are sure to please any palate. Tavernas are particularly special as they not only offer fantastic food but also provide an authentic cultural experience. You can mingle with locals, enjoy live music and traditional dance, and soak up the warm and lively atmosphere that Greece is known for. So go ahead, take a seat, order a glass of ouzo, and savor the flavors of Greece at a traditional taverna. Milos is a beautiful Greek island that is full of unique attractions, stunning landscapes, and delicious local cuisine. A 5-day stay in the area would be ideal to ensure you get the fullest experience out of your travels. Whether it is exploring Adimnari and Sarakiniko Beach on day 1, visiting the ancient Catacombs of Milos and ruins as well as the ancient theater on day 2, taking a spectacular boat ride to ancient Roman baths and hot springs on day 3, wandering through the quaint villages of Klima and Placa on day 4, or enjoying some authentic local dishes at a traditional Greek taverna on day 5. These are just a few things that will surely create lasting memories during your visit to this magical place. Now that you've watched about typical itinerary for Milos, which of these activities would you like to do in Milos? Let me know in the comment below. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.